Opel is the first automobile manufacturer in the world to offer a battery electric vehicle for customer rally sport. The electric competition car is based on the Opel Corsa-e, which is already available to order and will make its world premiere at the IAA Frankfurt International Motor Show. In 2020, Opel and the ADAC will start the ADAC Opel e-rallye Cup, the first rally brand cup for electric cars in the world. The new Opel Corsa-e now replaces the ADAM on the rally stages. The new competition car produces 136 horsepower and develops 260 Newton meters of torque from a standstill.